welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you're trying to replace the engine mount, the torque strut mount, this is on the front side of the engine, guys. We will show you how to do that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Quite a few videos are coming. As I said, most of the mechanical videos, about 200, will be made on this car. We'll be taking everything completely apart. Everything from engine, interior, door panels, radios, anything you can think of. The electrical videos, guys, diagnosing the systems and all that stuff will be on our brand new channel. So please give it a like as well. Now we have the 1.8 engine, but I believe the 1.4 is the same way as well, because on some catalogs I checked that the part number is actually the same. Okay, and let me show you where it is located now. Looking at the engine, okay, this way. Okay, this is your passenger engine mount. This is the front engine strut mount. Okay, this guy right here. So how we replace it, guys? If that thing is broken, what will happen? Okay, when you give your engine gas, the engine will be moving back and forth. You're going to hear a clank and be able to notice some vibrations as well. So the tools that we need now, guys. Okay, I need to grab a 15mm socket. Okay, 15mm socket, a ratchet. Okay, right here, and let me explain. Okay, where it is now. So okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of a better angle for you guys. So that's the first bolt that we need to, okay, start getting loose. Okay, I'm just going to get them loose a little bit. Okay, this one here, and then we have one more that goes, okay, like that. Okay, over there. This one as well, guys. So you can see these two bolts are on top. And we have, guys, after that, okay, we have one more bolt that we need to remove on the bottom. So what I'll do, okay, this bolt that's very inconvenient behind the lines, okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove it now. Okay, all the way. So let me grab it here. The lines are not in the way, just that it's a little bit inconvenient. So I'll get the top bolt loose. Okay, it's down there. Okay, let me show you how long it is. Okay, this is the bolt. Now I'll go under the vehicle, guys. Okay, before we remove the other bolts. Okay, I'm going to get, okay, let me get that ratchet again. Okay, right here underneath. Okay, this is your transmission. This is the torque mount. Right here you have one more bolt. Okay, you can see like this one. So you can see it's coming off as well, and I'll leave the other one there holding in the middle. Okay, now I'll get 18mm offset box wrench. Okay, and we need to remove that bolt next, before we remove the other ones, I believe. Okay, so let me... The thing is, it goes by hand and then it stops. So I'll go ahead, okay, remove the whole thing. Okay, check it out now. It's going pretty easy. This bolt is out. Now I'll go ahead and continue removing, okay, this one right here. Okay, this one we need to remove. And I'm still hitting here a little bit. So what I'll do, okay, let me see if I can move the engine a little bit or get a different wrench. So you can see the offset box wrench is very handy for here. You can find, guys, all the tools and parts that we use, okay, listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Okay, we're almost out. Okay, just a little bit more. Let me grab it here now. I don't know how long that thing is, but it seems that it's a very long bolt. And it's a bolt that will not go by hand. Okay, you will have to use your wrench towards the end as well. So you cannot just get it loose and turn it by hand. I don't know why. Okay, right now it got a little bit looser, so I want to see, okay, if it's going to go by hand, and yep, it is. And then it stops again, and we need to do the same thing again. Okay, hopefully it's almost out, because we're running out of space here to turn. Okay, this is it. Okay, that's another bolt as well. Alright guys, now the fan is right here. So what I would recommend, if you're doing that, always disconnect your car battery. Okay, why? Because the fan can turn on if the engine is hot, if something malfunctions. Okay, and that thing can take your fingers off. So let me grab with two hands quick so I can just go ahead and undo it. Okay, we're coming towards the end. I definitely feel the bolt getting looser now. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, it should be, guys, any minute now. I wonder if the mount is getting on the bolt and it's preventing it from coming off. Okay, this is the bolt. Now, the torque mount. Alright guys, it's a little bit stuck, so we need to, okay, now push it out of here. We'll need to hammer it out because the bottom is a little bit stuck right there, so we need to hit it just a little bit right there with an extension or pry bar, and it will come loose and we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, like that. Okay, if it's the old mount it's okay, but if it's the new one you're going to break it like that. So we're going to get a hammer with the extension and try to hammer that thing out of there, because okay, you can see now, okay, right here the two parts come together when you get it tight with the bolt, and as a result, guys, the space will be closed and that mount will fit really tight. Okay, it's coming off. Now you have to be careful now not to hit your fan. Okay, wait a minute now. You have to be careful not to hit your fan because you're going to break your electric fan here. Okay, it's coming off. You can see how it's spinning. It just needs to go a little bit more. So we'll get a flathead screwdriver, and on the bottom, okay, you can actually help it with a screwdriver and pry it out as well. Okay, a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side, and that torque mount should come out of there. Okay, it will be any minute now. Ha, it popped back in. That's unbelievable. Okay, we're hitting here on the transmission a little bit on one side, that's why it's not coming out. So we need to move back. Okay, let me move the hose. Okay, let's try now. Okay, perfect. And the torque mount, guys, is out of here just like that. That's how we remove it, guys. You can find in the description of the video below, guys, we will list where we get our parts from. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.